How to connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your PC or laptop. So by connecting to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi, this should give you a better internet and a faster internet. So first you will need to right click on the Windows Start button and then open up the device manager. And then you will need to expand this window and then expand the network adapters category. And from here look for your Wi-Fi adapter, double click on it and then go to the advanced tab. And from here in this list you should find an option called preferred band. So you want to scroll down and click on the preferred band. And then for the value you want to expand this or select the drop down and select prefer 5 GHz band. So this only works for Wi-Fi adapters. If you are using a cable adapter, this won't show up, as you can see right here, but it should be very similar. From the property, you want to select preferred band, and from the value here, drop down and select prefer 5 GHz band, and then click on OK. Then you can basically close out of this window. Now, if you don't see 5 GHz in that list for some reason, that usually means your network adapter does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Now, once you've done that, you can basically expand the window from here and disconnect from the Wi-Fi and then reconnect again. And that should begin using the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you in the next one.